Okay, this is for instructions for people who are having trouble on Macs with Inzight, mostly because you have your own computer and you don't have a school purchase computer. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to have to download Inzight from the website. So we're going to go Inzight download. Doesn't really matter what you put in. Whoops, you'll find it. And any website will do. Let's just try this first one, and this is what we want here, this window. It looks like this. You're going to go up here for downloads and you're going to choose Mac. Now you've got to find out what Mac option you have, whether it's Maverick, the latest one, or a little bit later one, 10.6 to 10.8. If you're not sure where you go to find that, you go to About This Mac and boom. Version 10.9.2 is what mine is, so mine's the latest version. That's Maverick. So you click on that, or you click on this one depending on what version that you have. When you do, if you have Maverick and you're downloading for the latest version, you're going to have to download all three of these installs here. The X Quartz has to be downloaded, the GTK Plus has to be downloaded, and then the zip file for Inzight has to be downloaded. And this is going to take some time. It might take 20 minutes or so for all that to happen. And then you're going to try to open Inzight. Now it's very possible that you get, with a Mac, especially your own Mac, this message here. Your security preferences allow installation of only apps from the Mac App Store and so on. Now that's an issue. You can solve that by going into these instructions, or you can simply do this anyway. But it will direct you to what to do. You go into your system's preferences. You go into security and privacy. And you unlock the settings. You're going to need a password, the password that you use to get into your computer. And then you will have options to select down here. And what you want to do is select anywhere, which means that now the Mac can open an app or application from anywhere. So you get that selected. You can then close up things and close that up. Now at this point, you may have to stop what you're doing and just turn your computer off and turn it back on to restart it. And I would recommend you do that. Turn your computer off and hit restart. Now, once you've done that and you're back up and running, you should be able to find Inzight. Now, I don't even have to type it in. If I go here, now that I just downloaded it, you see this Start Inzight thing? This is what you want. So if you click that, if you hold your mouth just so and you cross your fingers and your toes, it's very possible that you'll get Inzight to open. And boom, as soon as you get this window here, you're in business. You're home free. So this is a functioning Inzight system, and this is the window that you should get. You then go in and you hit the Run Inzight button here. You wait, and eventually you get this window here. And if you get this window here, you're in business. You can then import data and do all sorts of things with that, but that's how it works. Hopefully you will be able to run that from there.